It's from Good American, and I'm just so excited to open this package up. So let's get it open. Okay, so the first thing that I got is, this is the, I think the style, it's blue 655. I'll link it for you guys, or maybe I could put a screenshot or something, but that's the style of jeans that I got. The second item. And then this is the crew neck body in black. So if you guys are interested in seeing how it fits, then I will be doing another video. And I wanted to try Good American for a long time because I do struggle with finding jeans. It is very difficult, frustrating, so I hope these fit me perfectly.